everyone, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 3 to give Camilla her food. Okay. Some water as well. She already had some, but you know. Oh my gosh, she's already pooping. Dang, you didn't even wait to go out to the... So ignore how ugly I look. So I'm just walking Canela. My mom's making dinner. They're going to eat. And then probably just like, honestly, what I've been doing ever since we got the Wi-Fi has been watching YouTube videos, because I haven't had, you know, since we moved into our new place, we haven't had any Wi-Fi for months. Ooh, let me show you guys this house. It looks obviously better at night, but this is like when I get like a house when I'm older, this is my goal of me decorating my my house very Christmassy, because that's cute. It looks so much better at night, but this way you can kind of see a little bit better, I guess. Look, there's Christmas man. Santa Claus, I call him Christmas man. Oh, just such cute. Look, there's like 500 Santas in this house. There's 1, a 2, and a 3. So cute. This has to be the best house that I've seen in this neighborhood. I mean, it's like literally the only house that's decorated. It looks like they have a couple lights and then maybe like a snowman. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. That was a mess. I'm a mess. I let go of her. God, that was so embarrassing. Because there was like a guy when I let go of Canela and he was just staring at me. There's my mom cooking it up. Some zucchini, some potatoes, and she made like some chicken, like red sauce thing. It's Mexican. That's what they're called. They're really good. They're one of my favorites. I'm excited to eat because I'm kind of hungry. Hi everyone, and welcome to my mukbang. Can I be in your mukbang? I'm gonna make my own. And then for my drink, I just have water. Water. I'll have a little zucchini. They're actually my favorite vegetables, so.
Papita?
Besides carrots. Jonah has some.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No.
We also have some barbacoa.
I just want like a little.
So, oh my god.
Hey guys, it's Isha with a couple of Snapchat. I don't have my phone. Oh!
So here it is. Here is number 3. I'm about to open it. No! Too late. Oh, it's a little hard. It kind of looks like the cookies I made last night. Like the same shape. Hi. Good morning and welcome to Vlogmas Day 4 already. Holy shit. Today I get, I just remember today's December 4th. And today I get what I got. Well, one of the things that I got from Black Friday. Not Black Friday. Cyber Monday, I ordered a sweater from American Eagle, and it's finally coming in today. And then I ordered like 5 other stuff out of Forever 21, and they haven't even sent me the email that they're even shipping it. I don't know what's going on with Forever 21, but anyways, I'm waiting for the bus. I worked today 12 to 4, which is the shortest shift I think I've ever worked. Like, since I got this new job, like, I've never worked that little, which is fine, to be honest. I go back to my normal schedule, like 8 hours tomorrow and the rest of the week, so. Hi! So I'm walking from the bus stop that just dropped me off on my way home. It feels so weird to only work 4 hours, but it actually felt kind of great. Today's gonna be pretty boring, I would say. Nothing planned. Eat dinner. Watch Netflix and maybe some YouTube videos. And that's literally it. Get my little baby out, my little Canella, McMuffin McStuffins, out for a walk. She's probably shitting herself right now. Yeah, she's about to poop. No, she's peeing. Yes!